How is the upper level people lives? How is
You
like?
can see this.
Whoa! It's the pillar.
Yeah, I built the entire thing. I designed it.
Wow.
It has nothing to do with what kind of wealth do you have. It's what karma do you do.
So I got an invite by this family from couch serving, and very lucky, fortunately, to introduce guys about how the family lives in North India.
Hello. Yeah, this is Sanjay and I'm with you now.
Yeah.
We used to couch surf a lot.
Oh, you use couch surfing a lot?
2-3 years ago.
Oh, okay.
But not anymore. Okay, we still do, but we travel a lot, so...
So how you found me? Just...
On the couch
Ah, yeah.
This house in 2021.
Oh, you built by yourself?
Yes.
Oh my God, really? Oh.
Okay, so I designed this house. We have named it Daya. Daya is the name of my mother. And the meaning of this word is kindness. Okay.
Okay.
So we are here since then. And I'll just show you that nest of...
What? Oh, yeah.
Yes. So this is the nest of a sunbird.
This one, right? This one.
This is the nest of a sunbird.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Whoa. Hmm? Juice. Dum. He's a pilot.
Yeah. I served in the Air Force for nearly 35 years. And these are the aeroplanes which I flew. I commanded this squadron, and this is one of the stations that I commanded. And this is my family.
Yes.
Head of the family, my wife, my elder son. He is a pilot in Singapore Airlines.
Yeah.
My daughter-in-law, she is a dental surgeon. They are settled in Singapore. The younger son, he is a mechanical engineer in San Francisco. And my younger daughter-in-law, she is a doctor of medicine. She is now doing a specialization in infectious medicines. This is a family from Czech Republic. They are very close to us. Okay, their
Granddaughter.
It has been designed in a manner that it captures the wind and brings it. This being a cross ventilation, the breeze goes from this side. And this is our summer bed. Hardly any sunlight coming here. It has a washroom this side. Oh, you can have a look at that also.
Every room has a washroom.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's big storage.
My parents and my parents-in-law, they are up with the gods. Okay. And there's a small splash pool which you can close. There's a sliding door. Fill it with water. You can fill it up to this level. It's our sauna, our splash pool. Children can swim also in this.
Massage table.
Please come. This is our kitchen garden.
Oh, you pan the onion by yourself.
Laundry here.
Oh, this is your garden. This is onion. Spring onion.
Yeah.
Spinach.
Coriander.
Wine? Allah. Oh, upstairs has more place.
Yes.
Wow. Really chill here.
Okay.
Study.
This is the place listed on air.
Oh, you do Airbnb here?
This-
Ah, okay. You also build here. You build this too.
Yeah, this is for... Yeah, I built the entire thing. I designed the...
Wow, this is Airbnb. Wow.
It can accommodate up to 4 people comfortably. 2 there.
Ah, sofa bed. Ah.
There's the office table.
Yes.
So you can work from home.
That's so
There's
nice.
a kitchen.
Yes.
Okay. Fridge, washroom here.
Really nice place.
Thank you.
He's
Food one wants to cook, one can cook oneself. Otherwise, helper will cook, our staff will cook.
Oh, you have stuff here.
Yeah, the ladies cooking right now.
Just a question, because I know India there's a different level, right? You guys are upper level, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can feel that. Of course. I think most of foreigners are very curious about this. How is upper level people lives? How is
You can
life?
see this. Okay.
Oh, it's the balcony we just went.
Yes.
Really chill. Peaceful. Very different than Rishikesh. Yes, very different than Rishikesh.
We don't go to Rishikesh.
Very peaceful. I cannot believe we're so close to Rishikesh, but it's so much different already.
Yes, we were so close to Rishikesh.
Yeah, it's so different already. It's out. Can you see me?
Higher.
How can I hire myself?
Yes, do this. Yes.
Small swimming pool.
Change it.
It's a swimming pool.
This is a pool. So you remove the wood and it becomes
Winter is very warm inside.
Yes.
Oh, that's why. Winter is cold here?
very cold. It's really very cold here.
Yay. Like prepare my lunch for me now, and let's see what gonna prepare for me.
This is from South India. It's called sambar.
Yeah, I know the soup. I eat dosa. They always
Yeah. So
with the sambar. Yeah.
This is the same sambar.
Yeah. The road in Rishikesh is full with sound of the home. In comparison, it is more quiet and close to nature.
This is called an Indian roller bird.
What?
Indian roller. Bird is called Indian roller.
Indian roller bird? Where is it?
Gone.
Gone. Rajali National Park is located next to Sanjay's house, 10 kilometers south of Rishikesh. It is very quiet and peaceful, completely different from Rishikesh.
Buffaloes.
Yeah, you showed me before, right? It's the same people. I like it here better. So they're living inside. Yeah, I think the key was there. Yeah, I think they're living inside.
They live inside.
Yeah, they were chill.
Yes. हिरन कहाँ है बेटा? हैं? हिरन.
They look serious. They look serious. They don't want to talk to us. They don't want to talk to us. Why we do this? You want me to do?
Yes. Up, legs up.
I think this one is more fun than that one.
Yes.
A few moments later.
Namaste.
Namaste. Hi, Sanjay.
Hi, Yuna. How do you do?
Okay, so I would like to you introduce me more about the different level in India.
Okay. We are talking about the ancient system of the Indian society. Imagine you have a group of people, some of whom are very tough. There are some who cannot think much. There are some who are very good in numbers and trades. And there are some people who can speak well, who are conveyors of what God has to say, who are spirituals. So we had 4 basic systems which comprised 4 basic levels which comprised the Brahmins. Brahmins were generally the priests and the preachers. They used to earn their livelihood through preaching, giving sermons and teaching people about meditation, etc. Then came the tough ones, Kshatriyas. Kshatriyas were the warriors who used to protect the clan and who was to protect the country, and they were the fighters. After that, we had another class called the Vaishyas. The Vaishyas were the traders, people who dealt with money, with finances. And lastly were the Shudras, who did the menial jobs, because these people, the society felt lacked the intellect. They did not have much of wisdom to handle money. They were not very powerful. So these were but everybody was respected for whatever level they were attaining. Okay. The caste system or religion came in much later. Okay. But basically this is how the Indian society used to work in the ancient times. Thank you. Okay. Any other question?
Yes. So you are the first level.
Supposedly, yes.
Yes. And last time you bring me to the village.
Yes.
They were like a lowest level kind of.
Because the house, you could say so.
Yeah, because the house doesn't have a window and door.
It does not really have anything to do with what kind of house you are living in.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh,
because a Brahmin could be living outside in a small hut.
Seriously?
Okay. Yes.
So it depends the job, what they did?
Yes, it depends.
Okay.
Yes. What karma do you do?
Karma?
Okay. What karma do you do?
Okay.
So a Brahmin could be a recluse. He may not live inside a house at all. Okay.
Okay.
So it has nothing to do with what kind of wealth do you have. All right. So that's how it worked.
Okay. Thank you, Sanjay. My question is finished. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Namaste.